suppose if we have one integer variable a is equal to 5, and this integer variable address I want to store in some pointer, so I can have one pointer variable into p. In this p I can store the address of a. Okay, suppose here I have like a 4 integers, so 5, 10, 15, 20, and each of this, the 5 address, this is the first element of the array, so this element address I want to store it in one pointer, and this element address I want to store it in another pointer, this element I want to store it in another pointer, this element address I want to store it in another pointer. So here my purpose is like see, I want in my program I am going to store one integer means, so I am declaring one integer variable. Suppose I want like 5 integers, then int a of 5, so that here a memory is allocated to store the 5 integers, whereas here memory is allocated for to store the one integer. Now the similar way, here the memory or the pointer we are declaring to store one integer variable address. So this is nothing but one integer pointer, whereas suppose I want 5 pointers, then got it, right? So just compare this both of syntax. See, you want one integer int a, you want 5 integers int a of 5, you want one pointer int star p, you want 5 pointers int star p of 5. Okay, so here for this how much memory is allocated? 20 bytes memory is allocated, because how many pointers we are declaring here? 5 pointers we are declaring. Here we are declaring one pointer. So one integer we are declaring, 5 integers we are declaring. One pointer we are declaring, 5 pointers we are declaring. Okay. So this is nothing but an array of pointer. Let's see the like one example with the array of pointer. See, here you have like let's assume for this C program the memory is allocated something like that. Okay, so as usual you will have code segment, data segment, if segment, these all things, and when the main function start executes, so in the stack segment memories are allocated for I, a 4-byte memory is allocated. Let's assume this is at 3000, and for array a of 4 how much memory will be allocated? 16 bytes of memory is allocated. This is your A, and let's assume that is allocated at 4000, 4004, 4008, 4012. Okay, and this is initialized with the values 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, and then here we are declaring array of pointer. Okay, so for this how much memory is allocated?
16 bytes.
16 bytes of memory will be allocated, and this is a P, and let's assume this is allocated at 5000. Next will be 4, 12. Okay. And now I0 condition true, 0 less than 4 condition true, it comes inside address of A of 0. So A of 0 is what? A of 0 address is 4000. So the 4000 will be assigned in
P of 0.
P of 0. Okay, very good. So P of 0 is this one. So here it will be assigned the next one less than 4 condition true. A of 1 address. A of 1 address is 4004. Similarly 4008, 4012. Okay. So this is your A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, and this will be P of 0, P of 1, 2, 3. Got it, right? So the respective each array element address is stored in one pointer. The another array element address is stored in another pointer. Okay. So I hope till this everybody fine. Now coming to here, again we have a for loop. So P of percentage D equal to percentage P slash n. So now this I we are printing, that is P of I. So P of 0. So what will be the output of this first print? P of 0 equal to what you are trying to print here? Percentage P. Percentage P will print in the hexadecimal, that is to print the address we are using. And here P of 0. P of 0 means P of 0 is what? 4000. So P of 0 is equal to, it will print 4000. And coming to this star P of percentage D, so it will print something like this, star P of 0 equal to percentage D. Here I want to print the value 5. So star P of I. See, please remember, P of 0 if you give, it will give the address 4000. In front of that, if you give star, it will print the address, it will print the value which is present in the 4000. So in 4000, what value you are? Value 5. Clear? How about next time? I will be 1 less than 4 condition true. Come here, P of 1. So next time it will print, this is one iteration. Next iteration, P of 1 equal to 4004. And P of 1 star equal to 10. This is second set. P of 2 equal to 8. Star P of 2 is equal to 15. This is third iteration. And the fourth iteration will be P of 3 equal to 4012. Star P of 3 equal to 20. Is it clear?